Welcome back to our super fun channel where learning is always an adventure. Today we're going to dive into the wonderful world of fruits. Get ready to spell and pronounce some fruity favorites. All right, let's kick things off with the vibrant and juicy orange. Spell out O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Can you say it with me? Orange. That's right. Now, let's munch on that delicious citrus goodness. Moving on to the refreshing melon. Spells out M-E-L-O-N. Melon. Say it loud and proud. Melon. Yum. Who's ready for a juicy slice of melon? Ah, the classic apple. Spells out A-P-P-L-E. Apple. Can you say it like you're taking a crunchy bite? Apple. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Time for a tangy twist with the lemon. Spells out L-E-M-O-N. Lemon. Say it with a puckered up face. Lemon. Who's up for some lemonade? Let's hop over to the fuzzy kiwi. Spells out K-I-W-I. Kiwi. Can you say it with a New Zealand accent? Kiwi. Such a fun word, isn't it? Next up, the very beautiful strawberry. Spells out S-T-R-A-W-B-E-R-R-Y. Strawberry. Say it with a berry-licious smile. Strawberry. Who's ready for a strawberry party? Now, let's savor the sweet and juicy peach. Spells out P-E-A-C-H. Peach. Say it like you're taking a big bite. Peach. Absolutely peachy. Time for some grape fun with these little bursts of flavor. Spells out G-R-A-P-E-S. Grapes. Say it with a grape popping sound. Grapes. Let's have a grape-tastic time. Now, let's go bananas with the potassium-packed fruit. Spells out B-A-N-A-N-A. Banana. Say it like a monkey swinging from tree to tree. Banana. Who's hungry for a banana split? Get ready for a tropical treat with the spiky pineapple. Spells out P-I-N-E-A-P-P-L-E. Pineapple. Say it with a Hawaiian accent. Pineapple. Aloha, fruity friends. Time for a cherry on top of our fruity adventure. Spells out C-H-E-R-R-Y. Cherry. Say it like you're picking cherries from a tree. Cherry. Let's make some cherry jubilee. And last but not least, the tropical delight papaya. Spells out P-A-P-A-Y-A. Papaya. Say it with a Caribbean rhythm. Papaya. Let's luau with some papaya. Wow! We now have 3 million subscribers. Let's get smarter.